Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You power the TCL TV and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network now. Make sure you pick 2, 4 or 5 gigahertz for stability. Once done, check for a system firmware update and an app update for YouTube, because outdated software blocks sign in and casting. Next, open the YouTube app from the home screen. Allow any permissions it requests so the app can access the network. This gets you past prerequisites and positions you to sign in and pair devices. You now sign in. Select Sign in the YouTube app and choose between entering your Google account directly or using the TV code method. Once the app shows a 6-digit code, open YouTube. /activate on your phone or computer and type that code to link the account. This is faster and more secure for many users. Make sure you grant the requested permissions so YouTube can access your subscriptions and watch history. After linking, test by tapping the cast icon on your phone. You should now play a video and confirm smooth playback. Change quality to auto or select 720p/1080p/4K based on your bandwidth. Make sure audio output matches your setup. Switch between Dolby or PCM in setting sound if voices sound muffled. If casting fails or sign in won't stick, reboot the TV and router first. Then reinstall the YouTube app if problems persist. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the YouTube app cache or remove and re-add.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.